What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the essential tools every beginner needs to start electronics. Trust me, you don't want to miss. Please rotate your phone. So this is a soldering station, and the blue big thing is hot air gun, and it is adjustable. And this is soldering iron. This is soldering wire. This is iron tip cleaner. And this is sucker. This is flux. This is soldering paste, not flux. It is just like soldering wire, but in liquid form. You can use it on ICs and components with its legs on bottom. These are metal plas and cutter, used for cutting big wire or opening big nuts. This is a desoldering wick. A desoldering wick is a small copper wire that soaks up melted solder, like sponge, to clean a circuit board. The green one is wire cutter, and those two black pointed things are tweezer. And the white one is art knife. It is very sharp. This is a multimeter. A multimeter is used to check voltage, current, and resistance to see if something is working or not. This is a clamp meter. The clamp meter is used to measure current without touching or cutting wire. These are normal screwdrivers, and these are special screwdrivers for opening small screws, and it is with mobile screen opener, also known as metal spudger or pry tool. So that's it. Guys, grab these tools and start your electronics journey, right? Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, comment for more. Hey guys, if a lot of people suggest the same idea in the comments, I will make a video on that idea. Thanks for watching.